On this video, we're exploring the Narrows at Zion National Park. It's all through water. And my dad's joining me all the way from Chicago. Excited? Yeah. This is where I'll be camping. A little cot tent. Dad, you got hardwood floors in your house?
I'm glamping.
Glamping?
Yeah.
It's your bed?
Yeah, it's my little cot.
You think Mom would like this?
Yeah, I think she would like this.
All right, this is my godfather Alfredo.
What's up?
He's gonna be leading us on which hike?
The Narrows in the Zion National Park. We have to get up at 4:45, about 5-ish, to get there super early so we can catch the first shuttle and then go from there.
How you feeling for a 4 a.m. hike?
Good, good. Let's do this. Every night.
About to go to sleep in the smallest tent in the world. Alright, good morning. It's about to be 5 in the morning. Sun's still not out, but we're gonna head to the Narrows to do the hike. It's really cold. It's gonna be a really cold hike at first, but we're rising up early before everyone else gets there. But it's Memorial Day weekend, so it's gonna be packed, so we're trying to get there before everyone else does. We woke up early and it's still packed. Memorial Day weekend, so quite a few people there already. All right, we just got to the Narrows. It's already beautiful. I mean, there's a good amount of people here, but we're gonna make the best out of it. All right, water's waist high now. So if you bring an expensive camera, be very careful. Oh, it's cold. All right, I'm gonna take off my microphone because it's getting pretty wet.
I am floating out to sea. Time will take it all from me. Don't know where the wind will take me now.
Right now, it's starting to become narrower. It's been scenic the whole way through, but it took a little while to get to here.
I am searching endlessly. Am I where I want to be?
Life straw.
Life straw. Was it a life straw bottle?
So yeah, so fill up the bottle, water, put the straw in.
Does that have taste to it?
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Doesn't taste like anything.
There's more to life. We gotta take time and get out and enjoy nature and see what else is out there. I've never been to anything like this. It's pretty cool.
Do you want to do like more stuff like this more often?
Yeah. Should do some river rafting.
I'm really happy that my dad really enjoyed this experience and helped him see that life is a lot more than just work. We have to do the things that we love or the things that we want to do, cross off items off that bucket list, see the things that we want to see, because the things that we want to do is just as important as our everyday responsibilities. We are about 3 miles in now. We're gonna keep on going, but keep in mind we still have to go back. So right now we have another 3 miles to go if we want to go back now. So that'd be 6 miles total, but we're gonna keep on going. Yeah, it's getting more slippery because of all the algae now. The stick helps. At first I didn't want it. I'm already carrying the camera, but it saved this camera from me falling already. But you enjoyed this? Yeah.
And subscribe to Justin Keanu.
Dad approved. So that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, come check this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.